Data center renovation involves updating hardware, improving cooling systems, and enhancing overall infrastructure to keep pace with technological advancements. It is essential for maintaining the relevance and efficiency of IT infrastructure in response to the evolving demands of technology, and also to accommodate increased data traffic and computational requirements. As digital services and applications increase, data centers must be upgraded to handle new challenges and grab new opportunities. Emerging technologies such as AI and ML demand significant processing power and generate large volumes of data, necessitating upgrades to existing technologies. Renovations help data centers to support these advanced applications while maintaining optimal performance and reliability. Additionally, data center renovations often improve energy efficiency and sustainability. Upgrading to more efficient hardware and implementing advanced cooling solutions can reduce energy consumption and lower operational costs. By investing in data center renovation, organizations can enhance their infrastructure capacity, efficiency, and longevity, ensuring that they remain competitive and capable of meeting future technological demands.